Do you like gym? I mean, that you want to make the six pack on your belly? Oh,
Yeah, see, 'cause I'm like, I feel so fat right now.
yeah, I see. I see. It's a quite fat, really. Not too bad, actually, but
There's no tone.
yeah, yeah, it's yeah, right,
Like,
yeah,
I'm skinny. Like, I'll give my no. I feel fat. Okay, I'll say I'm skinny. I feel fucking fat, but I need tone so I can have like
yeah,
six pack.
yeah. You from UK?
Yeah, where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Yeah, Bangladesh. Do you know?
Oh, cool. Yeah, I know where that is.
Oh, good. Thank you. So I saw some of your picture on your tab that you showed me. Are you a model or you not to be actress like that?
No, I'm just a girl on Digo.
But you have a long leg, looks like so beautiful, like actress, and even you doing the gym actually to fit your body.
No, I just want to be like the best version of me, and I've been on this app for a while, and I've met some really nice people here. Some of them have been weird,
Yeah.
caused me problems, but some people are actually really nice. So, yeah, like I'm just on here. Like I'm not here like because I know there's a lot of people that are like, oh, I'm on here because I want to, be this and I want to be that. No, I'm just here to make friends. So.
Yeah, sounds good. But what do you do? You're a student or you do job?
I work full time.
Oh, you work full time, so it's a weekend. That's all. You have got a little time to pass on your platform here.
Yeah, so I live alone. I work. The weekends, all I really have, and I mean it's 4:30 in the morning in the UK, so I haven't really got that much longer. I haven't been to bed, so.
Oh yeah, okay. So can you show me some pose just rising up your arm? Let me show. Let me show your arm. Oh, good.
Ugly.
Perfect. Yeah, okay, but you know what? At a time, everything will not be possible actually. When you wanted to make a good arm, and you need to fast lots of time on the gym, and have to extend the fasting. Yeah. Okay.
Who's trying? Ganache.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
Good.
like.
Mm-hmm. Oh, perfect. Oh.
Nah. I wouldn't want to see me in a fight because I don't punch the way that I've just shown you. It'd be very, very unladylike of me to show you how I actually punch people because I've grown up with. I have 5 brothers.
Yeah. Oh, we have 5 brothers also. We have 5 brothers and 1 sister.
Oh, cool!
Oh, really? Oh,
But
perfect.
I don't punch like this. I punch like this. And also, when you punch someone, you don't go like that.
Yeah.
You take your weight.
Yeah.
You go like this, and you don't put all your strength in straight away. You go like that, and you do it last minute because that's when you really fucking hurt them.
Okay. So.
But yeah.
Okay. Do you want to make a practice how to punch very forcefully? Heavyweight punch?
And also,
Yeah.
when you get in a fight with someone,
Yeah.
you go punch like that. This is your punch arm.
Yeah.
This is your jab arm.
Yeah.
So you punch him in that one, jab him in that one. So go like that.
Oh.
Jab, jab, punch.
Perfect.
Jab, jab, punch.
Oh, I think you have a good
My
train.
brother taught me that.
You have a good train. You can smash anybody whenever they come to fuck you. Okay, got it. So I have got a lesson that how to punch to anybody if they come to fuck me. I can just fuck back to the person who come to me. Do you have boyfriend? Why not? You are so beautiful. You should have.
Because I'm shallow.
Oh my goodness! I wanna to be your best friend.
And look, the reason why I'm single, I've had a lot of guys say they want to be my boyfriend, but I'm not going to waste the next 4 years of my life with someone that
So you don't want to make you don't want
wants
to
me.
okay you don't want to make friend over the next 4 years.
No, like